I am Namrta from BC second year batch 3. Today I am really glad to say something on a particular topic provided by respected Amit Shukla sir. Today I am here to present on the topic logic. So let's start. Do you know about what is logic? It's okay, I am explain. Logic, it is a logic circuit having one or more than one input but only one output. Output is represented by 0 or 1. 0 is 0 or 1. So you can see two input and only one output. So there are mainly three type of logic gates. First basic gate, second universal gate, and third arithmetic gate. And basic gate is mainly three type: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. And universal gate is mainly two types: NAND gate, NOR gate. And arithmetic gate is a two types: XOR gate and XNOR gate. So these are symbol of logic gate: OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, and XOR gate, XNOR gate, buffer and NOT. So first type of basic gate, AND gate. So it is a logic circuit having two or more than two input but only one output. So you can see two input but only one output, and output is high, that is 1 when all its input is high, otherwise output is low, that is 0. And next logic expression, y is equal to a dot b. Dot is represented AND gate. And for truth table, for n is equal to 2, where t, it means total number of combination is equal to 2 to the power n, and n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, then 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. And when a and b with two input variable, then next. So these are two input a and b. So y is equal to a dot b. And 0 is equal to 0, and 0 dot 1 is equal to 0, and 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, and 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. This is a conclusion of AND gate. Output is low, that is 0, whenever at least one of its input is low, otherwise output is high, that is 1. Next type, OR gate. It is a logic circuit having two or more than two input but only one output, is called OR gate. So output is high, that is 1 when at least one of its input is high, otherwise output is low, that is 0. Logic expression y is equal to a plus b. And these symbols of OR gate. So truth table of for n is equal to 3, where total number of combination is equal to 2 to the power n, 2 to the power 3 is equal to n. So next, so 3 input, I took 3 input A, B, C, and output 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 0, 1, because it is a OR gate, and 1. So conclusion of OR gate, output is low, that is 0 when all its input is low, otherwise output is high, that is 1. Next type, NOT gate. It is a logic circuit having one input and only one output, is called NOT gate, and it is also known as inverter. Output is high, that is 1 when the input is low, vice versa. So truth table of NOT gate, for n is equal to 1, total number of combination is equal to 2 to the power n, and 1 is equal to 2. So 1 input and only 1 output. So 0. So 0, 1 and output vice versa 0, 1 and 1, 0.